Have you ever wondered who decides if you get a loan or insurance policy? That process is called underwriting. At its core, underwriting is simply the process of evaluating risk to determine if a company should take on a specific customer. Think of it as a financial background check. Professionals look at your history to predict the probability of a future claim or default. They examine your credit score, your income, and your current debts. If you are buying a home, they also verify the property's value. Many simple loans use automated software for instant approvals, but complex applications often require a human expert to review the details. While every institution is different, credit history usually carries the most weight in the final decision. Ultimately, this process keeps financial systems stable by ensuring that loans are only granted when repayment is likely. Understanding underwriting helps you prepare for your next big loan application. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.